Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a brick diagram. First, let's understand what a brick diagram is and why it's a powerful visual tool. It helps represent data in a clear, segmented way, often showing proportions or progress. You'll need some basic supplies, a ruler, a pencil, and some graph paper. We will also define the key metrics or categories you want to illustrate, ensuring your diagram effectively communicates your message. Now, let's design the layout for your brick diagram. Begin by determining the total number of bricks that will represent your entire data set. For instance, if you are showing percentages, 100 bricks might represent 100%. Next, assign a specific value or percentage to each individual brick. Finally, select a consistent color scheme to visually differentiate between various categories, making your diagram easy to interpret at a glance. With your design ready, it's time to construct the diagram. Start by drawing a grid on your paper, ensuring each brick has uniform dimensions, perhaps 1 square by 1 square. Carefully color in the designated number of bricks for each category, following your chosen color scheme. For example, if one category represents 25%, color 25 bricks. Finally, add clear labels for each section and a descriptive title to your completed diagram. To enhance your brick diagram, always review it for accuracy and visual clarity. Ensure all numbers add up correctly and the colors are distinct. For more complex or dynamic diagrams, consider using digital tools like spreadsheet software or graphic design programs, which offer greater flexibility. Ultimately, share your well-crafted diagram to effectively communicate your data insights to your audience, making complex information easily digestible.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.